Actually, it was great. We discussed lots of interesting cases. I assume we covered almost all aspects of endodontics, varying from filling simple root canal anatomy using root ST as a bioceramic sealer in conjunction with gutta percha, till filling of highly sophisticated root canal anatomy using root ST depending on the hydraulics power, like filling of the microanatomy, the lateral canal, the apical delta, even deep splits without the use of the microscope. Plus, we discussed vital pulp therapy procedure, calcification management, perforation repair, separated file retrieval, and many more. Actually, I can answer this question in one word: stable. And what I mean by that, every time you take a follow-up X-ray, you'll still find your sealer filling the lateral canal, and the sealer did not wash out by time. And the same in case of the body, when you repair a defect like perforation repair or external root resorption repair, and you take a follow-up X-ray, you'll find the material still exists, did not wash out, did not resorb by time, and that's thanks to the high percentage of the calcium silicate in the composition that exceeds 50%. So when you follow up your cases a year after year, you will find the same like you did it today, and that's what we need to achieve long-term success for our cases and satisfy our patients. Thanks to VERICom's quality control, the quality is high every time I use the product. And by the way, I'm a user for the product since 6 years now, and I'm very satisfied by the result. Plus, it's a value for the money in comparison to the quality offered.